Okay guys, welcome back to Thornton 100 Motorcycles. We've got the first build of 2025. We're going to be turning this boring old cruiser based on a brand new Bonneville Bobber into something really custom to match a customer's Lamborghini, so stay tuned to see what we get up to. Euro 5 plus spec. I don't know anyone that has a Triumph Bobber that's standard. I don't think anyone's ever kept it standard. That thing's not standard, even that bike. I'm just saying, like, I don't own anything standard at all.
You're gonna have to blur that out in the video.
People not seen that one yet. Oh, guys, you should stay tuned because it's f***ing sick.
It's not dark anymore.
It's the morning after the morning after. It's not dark. Which means that it's time to crack on and take this bike apart. So, brand spanking new Euro 5 plus Triumph Bobber. And you guys need to be checking this as well, because if you want to put exhaust on your bikes, please come and check this. If you've got this plug here on your bike, you will not be able to install an exhaust without getting error codes, limp modes, and all sorts of issues as well. So we'll show you a fix for that in this video as well. It's an absolute world's first, and I'll show you what we've been developing. But we'll get to that later on when we install our exhaust. So right now, we're going to get to stripping this bike down, all the way back down to the engine and the frame. We're going to get the paint taken off, get that off to paint, start preparing all of the components that we need to make this into a fully fledged Thornton 100 wide wheel bobber. So stay tuned to see what we'll be getting up to. Evan, you should. I've got subscriptions to these now. They make you feel delicious.
It's like remember that stuff that I had.
Just keeps you hydrated, man.
Put a bit of cardboard there.
Stops the, see this? That stops the side stand from whacking into the frame. And when you take these exhausts off and put our exhausts on, you need to buy our kickstand dampener, because it mounts on there and stops your side stand from whacking the frame and making it rusty, because it will rust.
Is that a top tip with?
Yeah.
Top tips with Yup, top tips with Joe.
Red, what do you need? What's up? Don't f***ing think that you come in here and tell me what to do.
Dad has given
Because
Dobby a
I'm
sock.
not your mum. Alright, what's that? You finished? Take me to your Euro 5 leader. Minotaur!
I can't believe my eyes. A Minotaur.
I'll let you choose.
Tyres.
You want to do wheels and tyres?
Yeah, man.
Well, crack on.
Alright.
Here we go. Right. Where are they? Seem to have accumulated lots of tyres. They're over here.
The tyres aren't in the massive pile of tyres. What we filmed.
neatest boxes. And the way they open.
So good.
Push on. A money shot.
Yo, want to take this bit off? Go on. Ow! We put a new. Ow! Ow! New one on. Say, what are we doing? Does anyone know what they're doing?
Yeah.
I don't.
It's a pretty neat heavy management.
Literally on in line. Short side is the front. That's the back. Do you know why?
Why?
Because you do the front two up first, and then do the back two up.
Wow.
Top tips with Evan.
It's a flip of
Then again. Now we got twisted exhaust, ready to fit. We're picking up the paint in a matter of hours. We've got the seat up there, and we'll be finished up with this bike. See what it looks like. Right, who wants a segment on how to fit a twisted exhaust? Cylinder one first. Through there. Don't forget your gasket. Perfected the one-handed fitting. Hinge them. Drop them like that, and then like that. Right, leave it loose. Don't do it up. That way we've got lots of movement, everything can get done up once it's all together. People ask me about these as well. You can fit these still plugged in. So obviously we have to screw it in that way. So if we pre-tension it the opposite way, pre-tensioned in the hole, and then find the thread, like so. Our CNC clamps, you can actually do this up after, and they're just nipped like that. Onto the other side. One of them. The twisted will come with one of these on the end. You can just go with a little dab of Loctite on here, just to make sure it doesn't come loose. Just finger tight on that. Install this. can then just place the whole thing onto cylinder 2. And then you have enough room to swing this out to put your lovely Cerakote cup on there.
Cool.
Ball ended 6mm. Now, just leave that loose for the moment. Everything is loose. Flip that over. Bring the two parts together. You can see that we've got the two parts together there. And then just flip that over. And then we can do that up. I like to fit them this way because it hides all of the thread and everything, and that's just nice and round on the top. Again, just get it so it's just slightly nipped, so there'll be movement in all of this.
Cool.
Once you do this up, the exhaust is going to do that, so this wants to be done up kind of last. Set to 19 Newton meters. Bit of an odd one, isn't it? 19. And then just knit these up equally. These don't have a torque setting, just nipped. Right, so with the latest bikes that are Euro 5 plus emissions, we have had to create this little box. And what this does is deletes the secondary O2 sensor. So if your bike has this at the front, usually tucked up here, then you're going to need one of these from us. Now, we're not going to tell you how we made this or what's inside of it, but it looks pretty cool and it's got a nice shiny gold bit in it. So 4-pin connector into there, plug it in. That's got a nice little holder there, bolt, bit of Loctite. This one here,
Yeah, seen it.
on this front mount. So this is obviously not coated, and if your bike has done some miles, you might need to just give this a clean off, because this is also an earth point on the back of here. So we have the ring terminal there. So just make sure that's nice and clean. And then screw that into there. Be available on the website to purchase with your twisted exhaust, or if you have any exhaust that is not standard, that doesn't have a secondary cap, then you can buy this box. Look what's arrived. Fresh pink.
Wow.
Super fresh. So I've got to be very careful. Like, out the oven probably
2 hours ago.
2 hours ago, yeah.
Big timer.
Not in the oven.
That sounds very good, doesn't it?
We're not test riding it though, are we? Because
Weather is very bad, so
I'm not cleaning it.
I'm not cleaning it. Right, okay, all done. That was really hard work. I mean, the amount of effort that I put in to build this bike was just insane. It's been a long, hard stop for me.
should we
And,
cut to some clips of you building it?
Yeah.
Putting all the hard work in.
I put all the hard work in. But no, obviously, Evan managed to crack on and finish this bike for our customer. Looks absolutely incredible with the paint. So custom finished grey with actually Ford nitrous blue stripes as well, and then we tied it in with the blue stripe on the seat as well. Really cool looking bit of kit. This is a really nice example of a bike that is a really sort of nice middle of the road spec for a Thornton 100. So twisted exhaust, we got the wavy brake discs as well as all the carbon wheels and stuff like that as well. And obviously with this being a factory built bike, you got the factory built plaques and the certificate of authenticity as well, which really helps with the value retention on the bike as well. So thank you, Evan, for putting it together.
Just did the job.
All that hard work. Thank you to me for
Working extra hard.
working extra hard.
Putting the late ones in this one.
Well, really late ones on this one, yeah. And we'll catch you in the next one. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, guys. Click the like button as well and add a comment. Let us know what you think about the bike, because it really does help us. And we'll catch you next time.
Ad lib.
Yeah.